y'all, welcome back. So today I'm kind of like in limbo as what to do. Part of me wants to get in the attic and pull down my fall stuff. I've already started taking down some of my summer stuff, and I'm so excited to decorate this year. Last year I was very adamant about it's just too soon. It's just too soon. I'm not going to do it. People just don't enjoy the seasons. Everybody gets ahead of themselves. That's me this year. That's me. I'm so ready. So, what to do? My office man cave room back there is just full of my summer decor. I really need to go through it and like start packing it up, what I've already taken down. And I really want to get in the attic and start getting some of my fall decor, because there is a pillow specifically I'm looking for, and I'm pretty sure it's in the attic, that I want to put on my couch to kind of go with my curtains. I already started making some changes in my living room. I've taken off the pillows. I've redone the coffee table. It's not done, but it's like started it. And I've done some stuff in the hallway. I've got all the summer. Nope, I got one piece of summer decor, which is my little tea towel hanging on my dishwasher, that I need to take out of the kitchen. But basically the kitchen and dining room, all the summer decor is down with the exception of that towel. So I might just do that today and piddle around. I need to put some earrings in. Forgot my bling. I lost my little leopard earring yesterday. I don't know where it's at. I backtracked around the house, so I don't know if I lost it while I was out. I didn't even realize it was gone until I started editing yesterday's video, so. The struggle. All right, enough rambling. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do, and I'll check back in just a little bit. Buster's still sleeping, and it's like after 1 o'clock, so my bed's still haven't been made. I have completely taken down all of summer inside the house. The outside is still summer. I have packed up all of my summer stuff that I've taken down inside the house, and I have began playing with some fall decor. I just went up in the attic. I did find the pillow I wanted, and I went up in the attic and got one of the bins that said it had pumpkins and florals. And I was hoping it was my pumpkins I had, but it was really mostly just florals. So I'm gonna wait and get James to help me get some of this stuff down whenever he gets home. And then I'm gonna put some stuff up there when he gets home. I'm just like, honestly, I feel a little overwhelmed with the fall decor. I don't know why. It's just decorations, Donna. Get it together, girl. Anyway, I've did a little bit of cleaning, and I'm just kind of sitting here trying to figure out what I want to do now. Got my bathroom cleaned, and I'm loving the window couch coffee table setup I have going on for fall. So I'm probably going to leave that as is. My plan this year is I don't want to be so like fall through up in my house, but I want fall touches here and there. And like I did with my summer decor and all that, I don't want it to be so, I say the word gimmicky, but I don't mean gimmicky. I just mean like, I want it to be a little more on the rustic elegant side. Does that even make sense? So there's a fine line there, because I have so much fall decor, I can tend to kind of go overboard, and I have to reel myself in. So I've put some things up, and then I've stepped back and I've took it down. So I will show you a little bit of what I've done today. But granted, it may or may not stay this way. So, I guess I will do a fall home tour to show like the final everything. But I will show you what I've done so far. My poor mantle looks horrible because there's nothing on it but a crock, some candles, some plate stands, and a wad of greenery. It looks horrible. But I have some ideas for that, but I've got to get my pumpkins out of the attic. So, let me show you what I've done so far. And like I said, it may not stay this way, so just bear that in mind. So far, I've pulled out my little thrifted picture and I've put it here. And I think I really like it, but I'm kind of debating whether I should hang it up there. Take that down for now and put that up there. That's an idea. Okay. Thrifted throw with the pine cones and all that. Love it. All of these pillows on the couch are thrifted, but this is the one I was looking for because it has all the beautiful greens and browns and golds and rust. And as you can see, it complements the rug very well and kind of ties in my curtains. And then for my coffee table, which I want to move my Bible over a little more and kind of center it more. But this is what I've done for my coffee table. And I really like it because I love these picks from, I think these are from Michael's, because it brings in the greens and stuff and it kind of pulls in the curtains. So let me move my Bible over real quick. Yeah. I like that better with that centered. But this is how this area is looking. And I'm really loving it. Okay, look at my poor mantle. Pitiful, right? Haven't really done anything here. This is kind of what I'm going to do with this crate, and I'm going to fill it up with different pumpkins and maybe some florals here and there. But that's what I've done there. Now I'm going to show you the hallway. So this is what I've done for the hall. This is a little lap quilt that James's mama made me, and I thought it was perfect on the rocker. And I have a picture, a fall picture I'm going to put there, kind of in front of that door. And this is what I've gotten so far. Y'all remember this beautiful wreath that I thrifted? Isn't that gorgeous on that old window? Oh my goodness. But this is all I've done in the hall. I just put some garland, just bits and pieces here and there. And that's what that's looking like. Nothing major, but I like it so far. Now my dining table is something else. So let me show you what I've done. I'm not in love with it. I don't know that it's going to stay, but I have to kind of play with the core. So this is literally the first attempt of me just playing with it. So let me show you real quick. So this is my dining table. This is that I removed the American flag scarf and I left the garland, and then I've just stuck in picks, some flowers, and some real pine cones from the yard. Some of these picks are from Dollar Tree, some are from Hobby Lobby, and some are from the yard. So this is just kind of where I'm at right now with this. And then I did add some pumpkin picks. I want to say those come from Dollar Tree. I just kind of mixed them in with what was already up there. And that's it. That's all I've done. I added this grapevine pumpkin over here in this little corner. This is what this is looking like. I don't know that I'll do a lot more to it. But I got that from the thrift store last year. But that's what that's looking like. So as you can see, I'm dabbling here and there. Oh, I did add, that is a little thrifted tea towel I got from the thrift store for 99 cents. Had never been used. And it says pumpkin everything. I'll show y'all real quick. Pumpkin everything. And I just think it's perfect for right there. So I tried fighting the fall feeling of decorating in mid-August, but undoubtedly I lost to the feelings. And I've started, got a ways to go, but it's enough to scratch the itch, you know what I mean? So that's what I've been doing today. Hopefully it gives you some ideas if you're starting or thinking about starting or have some ideas, maybe seeing some of the things that I've done. you might want to start doing. I think I've decided I'm really not going to do anything else except for the areas that I've already done. Let me show y'all the guest bath. I did do that one real quick. For the guest bath, all I did was put this little pumpkin in this little holder, added a couple little sunflowers. I probably will keep this. I don't know that that one's going to stay. I'm not digging that one too much right now. And then over here, I just put a pick there and just added some flowers there. And that's pretty much all that I'm going to do in here. And I do have a fall scent in the wax warmer, but I'm probably not going to do much more than that in here. But you never know. We'll just have to see on the home tour. Anyway, as I was saying, it's enough to scratch the itch. And I need to see what else I have in the fall decor in the attic. So I'm gonna have to wait till James can help me get that out. I know I have that beautiful turkey print. I have my beautiful home interior print that has the 9 different scenes and it looks like a window. I know where that's going, so I know I have those, but I don't know what's in my bin. So, more decorating to come. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. And like I said, the outside, still it's like summer. But the inside is smelling and looking like fall, and I'm loving it. I love fall. I love those colors anyway. I use those colors in my house in just my everyday decor, the reds, the oranges, the browns, the golds, you know, all of that, the blacks, all that's just kind of like my colors anyway, so I love it. So, there you go. I'm excited. I can't believe I started this early. Just could not fight the feeling any longer. Just can't do it, y'all. And I'm not going to try anymore.